Hi guys. Okay, so today we'll study how to tell time in Arabic. Okay, so before we begin, you should know some key terms, some key vocabulary that you will use in telling time. So let's begin. So first word is as-sa'a, as-sa'a. Now notice there is a ain sound in the end. So you will say as-sa'a, as-sa'a, right? As-sa'a. As-sa'a means the hour or the clock or the time. As-sa'a means the hour, the clock, or you can say the time. Next word is daqiqa. Daqi, daqiqa, daqiqa or daqa'iq. Daqa'iq. This word is used for minute or minutes. Daqiqa is the singular for minute and daqa'iq is the plural for minutes. Daqiqa, daqa'iq, daqiqa, daqa'iq. Then comes the word called an-nisf, an, an-nisf, an-nisf. It means half. An-nisf means half. Then comes the word ar-rubu', 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 ar-rubu'. Ar-rubu' means quarter. Remember it. Ar-rubu' means quarter, an-nisf means half, and illa, illa means two, right? Two. So we have studied five key terms that we will use in telling time in Arabic. The first one is as-sa'a, meaning the hour or the clock, the time. Then comes the word daqiqa, means the minute, or daqa'iq, meaning the minutes. An-nisf means half. A-rubu' means quarter. Illa means two, right? Moving forward, then now let's focus on the three main time expressions. The first one is that we normally use is quarter past. Quarter past. Now, quarter past in Arabic, we say warrubu. To say quarter past, we say warrubu. Warrubu means quarter past. For example, if the time is 3:15, we will say as-sa'a. Okay, one more rule. Whenever we tell time, we start with the word as-sa'a because as-sa'a means the hour or the clock or it means the time. So whenever we tell time, we start the sentence with as-sa'a. As-sa'a, then the hour. In this case, it's 3. So we will say as-sa'a salis. Because 3 in Arabic, when we tell time, the 3, in place of 3, we say as-salis. As-salisa. As-salisa. As-salisa means 3 while telling time in Arabic. As-salis. As-salisa. As-salisa. So we will say as-sa'a salisa, as-sa'a as-salisa war-rubu'. As-sa'a as-salisa war-rubu'. As-sa'a means time, the time. As-salisa means 3. War-rubu' means quarter past. So we are saying that the time is quarter past 3, meaning it's 3:15. Then the next time expression is called half past. And to say half past in Arabic, we say one nisf. What do we say? We say one nisf. Half past, we say one nisf. So if the time is 5:30, we will say as-sa'a means a time. Al-khamisa. Al-khamisa means 5. Al-Khomisa means 5. And then we'll add the expression one nisf to say half past 5. Then comes the third common expression while telling time is the expression quarter to. Quarter to. Quarter to, we'll say illar ruba. Illar ruba. Illar, illar ruba. Illar ruba means quarter to. So if the time is 9:45, we will say الساعة العاشرة. الساعة العاشرة. العاشرة means العاشرة means العاشرة means 10. العاشرة means 10 in Arabic. So الساعة العاشرة إلا الربع. إلا الربع means quarter to. So 9:45 is basically quarter to 10. That is why we'll say in Arabic الساعة العاشرة إلا الربع. الساعة العاشرة إلا الربع. So you got it? That is why we use these three expressions to tell time in Arabic, right? Quarter past means one ruba' in Arabic, half past means one nisf, and quarter to means illa ruba'. Moving forward. Okay, so now let's study some examples to test our knowledge. Okay, so the first example is regarding quarter past. Okay, so whenever we ask a question regarding time in Arabic, we say kam as-sa'a. Kam as-sa'a. Kam means what? As-sa'a means we just now studied time. What time is it? So whenever you have to go into an Arabic place, Arabic country, to ask the time, you will say kam as-sa'a. Kam or kam as-sa'a. Kam as-sa'a means what time is it? Kam as-sa'a means what time is it? Kam as-sa'a. Kam as-sa'a means what time is it? So if the time is 12:15, the listener will say as-sa'a ثانية. الساعة الثانية. الثانية means ثانية. ثانية means two. الساعة الثانية والربع meaning it's quarter past two. الساعة الثانية والربع meaning it's quarter past two. Okay, so what will we say? What will be the Arabic translation for the time 4:15? So again, since 4 in Arabic means الرابع. الرابع means الرابع. الرابع means 4. So we will say الساعة الساعة الرابع والربع. الساعة الرابع والربع. الساعة means the time. الرابع means 4. والربع means quarter past 4. Moving on to example number 2, that is of half past. So again, the question is kam as-sa'a. So if the time is 8:30, what will you say? You will say as-sa'a as-samina. الساعة الثامنة والنصف. الساعة الثامنة. الثامنة means الثامنة. الثامنة means 8. So you will say الساعة الثامنة والنصف. والنصف means half past 8. Similarly, if the time is 10:30, you will say الساعة العاشرة. العاشرة means العاشرة means Al-Ashara means 10. So you will say As-Sa'a Al-Ashara Wan-Nisf. Right? So this is how you will tell time in Arabic. Understood? I hope you got it. And now a quick homework for you guys. Tell me the following time in Arabic. Give your answer in the comment section. Right? So the first one I will do for you guys. Right? So the question is Kam as-Sa'a. So since you can see it's 3:15, so we will say As-Sa'a. 3 means 3 in Arabic means Salisa, 3 in Arabic means as-salisa. So we'll say as-sa'a as-salisa, and since it is 3:15, so we'll say as-sa'a as-salisa war-rub'. As-sa'a as-salisa war-rub'. So if somebody asks you, kam as-sa'a, and if the answer is 3:15 in the clock, you will say as-sa'a as-salisa war-rub', meaning it's 3:15. The hour is, or the clock is, or the time is 3:50, right? Similarly, you guys will do both of these questions. And for the record, let me tell you the numbers for telling time in Arabic. So if the time is 1 o'clock, or the clock strikes on 1, you will say as-sa'a, as-sa'a al-wahida. Al-wahida means wahida. Wahida means 1. And here you can see 7 is used. So 7 in Arabic, while telling time, we pronounce 7 as as-sabi'. As-sabi'. 7 is called al-sabi', meaning as-sabi'a. As-sabi'a. As-sabi'a means 7 while telling time. As-sabi'a. Similarly, there's one more number, 9. So 9, we say, how do we say 9 while telling time in Arabic? So 9 is called at-tasi'. 9 is called at-tasi'. 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 At-tasi'a. At-tasi'a means 9. At-tasi'a means 9 in Arabic. Similarly, if you want to say the number 2 while telling time, you will say sani. We have studied the number 2 previously, right? So if you want to say 3, as-salisa, you will say as-salisa. If you want to say 4, al-rabi'a. If you want to say 5, you will say al-khamisa. And if you want to say 6, you will say as-sadis. As-sadis. As-sadis, sadisa. As-sadisa means 6. And as-sabi'a means 7. And as-samina, as-samina, as-samina means 8, right? And at-tasi'a means 9. And al-ashara means 10. And al-hadiya ashar, al-hadiya, al-hadiya ashar, al-hadiya ashar, al-hadiya ashar means, al-hadiya ashar means 11. And at-tasi'a, as-saniya ashar means, as-saniya, or yeah, as-saniya, as-saniya ashar means, as-saniya ashar means 12, right? So I'm giving you some more tasks to do. You will give the answer in the comment section. So tell me, kam is-sa'a, if the answer is 4:15. What will be the Arabic version of this number 4:15? How will you say it in Arabic? Because the time is 4:15. Or if the time is 6:30, how will you say it in Arabic? Right? So along with these two questions, you will also tell me the answer of these two questions in the comment section. So that's all regarding time in Arabic. So I hope you enjoyed it. And now you will know, from now on, you will know how to tell time or ask time in Arabic. To ask time, you will say kam as-sa'a, and the person answering will tell you the time uh, in will tell you the time what the time is, right? So subscribe the channel, share, like, and comment the answers below.